I could not see Davao go back in shambles. So I insisted on my daughter, kasi kaya niya. Kita mong sheriff binugbog. Where can you find mayor mauling a sheriff in front of everybody on TV? Talagang ano yan si Inday? Be careful with that woman. Be careful with that woman.
Be careful with that woman.
So all that they need in the provinces and even in the city, they go to the mayors. I was mayor for 22 years in Davao. I know that. Eskwelahan, school, then for their medicines, hospitalization, mayor, barangay. So we were the ones who were dispensing patronage. Using what? Using the people's money, his own money. And yet they stayed there in politics in dynasty. Ako, ayaw ko na. 73 years old. But I could not see Davao go back in shambles. So I insisted on my daughter, kasi kaya niya. Kita mong sheriff binugbog. Where can you find mayor mauling a sheriff in front of everybody on TV? Talagang ano yan si Inday? Be careful with that woman. Be careful with that woman.
Be careful with that woman.
She can oust even a speaker. She operated in Davao. Babae ito ha. She operated in Davao as mayor. Tira mo nangyari sa Congress. O di natanggal for one simple, maybe, si Bebot naman, he's a close friend of mine. I will support him. Pero siguro, I can also impeach him, referring to me. Para sa atin, wala yan. Baliwala yung politiko. Bakit mo ako impeach, gago, kung kaibigan tayo? That's the usual answer. You banter around, but siguro, kung anak, lalo na ito, bantay kayo dito. Nung narinig yan, siguro sabi niya, bakit mo gano'n ng tatay ko na... And before I knew it, in Congress, sabi niya na itong si ganun pangalan niya, nakalimutan ko yung palagi. Yung sa DOT. DOT, tourism, sa tourism siya. Si Berna. Si Bernadette. Noong ko na nalaman, nung nagkita kami sa Congress, sinabi daw ni Inday, nagkita sila sa washroom. Tell my father I'm sorry. So I didn't know the implication of that. Wala akong honest to God. Si Inday yung maneuver niya. Kaya apuntay na pati ako. Pag naisahan ako niya, baka makudita pa siya, ang hunta ako ang naiwan sa labas. Ngayon, ganito yan. I do not want it. I'd rather stop. Pero my son is running. Running for congressman. He resigned as mayor in disgust because of his daughter yung picture inside Malacañang Palace. Parang napahiya siya. Resign na lang ako ba? Then plus yung pinatawag sila ni Trillanes. Ang ilang tao dyan na pinatawag ng Congress na hiyain lang. Yan, ganun. Pareho kay Anje kaya nagsuicide. You shame people. You humiliate them. You shout at them. Then after that, wala. It's all show. It's all show. Yung pinakatawag nila, yun ang nagsasama ng loob. Kung nadimanda sana, there's a mitigating thing there, kung totoo. Ngayon, tatakbo congressman si Pulong. sa first district ni Nograles. Yung kapatid naman, ayaw ko ano, bakukang na pasok kay Inday, pinilit niya itong ano ngayon, bunso, si Sebastian. So ayaw ko ng dynasty, but we are forced. At saka magtanong ka, punta kayo ng Davao. You conduct a survey. Itong mga interesado na dynasty, di pumunta kayo na sa tao. Tanungin mo ang tao dito, tanungin mo. It's still the political families. Because sabihin ng mga barangay captain, ayaw namin yan. Na hindi na magkakampanya yan kung ayaw nila. At saka usually, pag naumpisahan ng isa, tuloy-tuloy na yan. Kasi hingiin ng mga tao na yan. So that's politics. Pero itong mga narko dito, wala na masyadong laboratory dito. Magbir lang, pag ganun-ganun ako ng discussion. Along the way, you would learn a little bit of me. Itong Sabon, wala na laboratories dito. Kasi alam nila, papatayin ko talaga sila. Papatayin ko talaga sila. So they are now into importation. We are suspecting the intelligence community that it is the 14K triad who's handling drugs now in Asia. At ito namang Mexico, not the Middle East, lahat yan sila. Bantay kayo dyan sa mga cargo, kayo mga exporters. Because yung mga cargo na yan, kung saan-saan, pagdating ng pantalan, inbound po ito, banana dito, kung saan-saan, yan ang ginagamit ng kartel. Diyan nilalagay nila yung parang roofing na plastic. It's not all steel, it's covered by a plastic thing. Isang bumagsak nandoon, 67 bricks of cocaine. Nangasabi na, bakit si Duterte pinapatay niya ang mga mahirap? Look stupid. Shabu is the commodity of the poor. Yung mga anak na kapag-aral, they know that marijuana and itong cocaine can destroy you, but it would take you years to destroy yourself. Kasi itong marijuana, pati cocaine, extracted from natural, organic plants. Shabu is a mixture, and one of that is formalin. At yung sa baterya yung tubig sa baterya, yun na mimix yun. Kapag hit niyan, it slowly destroys the brain, and the brain shrinks, and he's gone, of no use. So if I have about 1,000,006 slaves here, what will I do with you? Court. There are courts here. There is a court. It's a Supreme Court. I told the Supreme Court. There's a judge, sir. More than 1,000 cases. All dropped. Dismissed lahat. Acquitted. Police. May mga police, hindi lahat. Pero yung mga corrupt na police, yung mga akusado, they just pay the server. Ang the server would go, kayo mga abogado, alaman ninyo yan. So when the case is ready, I would stand and say, Your Honor, I'm not ready.